Welcome to another Rough Diamond recipe. Today's recipe is creamy mushroom and chicken pasta. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. I've lost count how many of my recipes start this way. Melt the butter in the pan, add the onions and saute off for 2 minutes. As the onions are softened, you can start cooking the pasta as per instructions on the packet. We're using tagliatelle, but you can use any pasta you like. Next we add the garlic and mushrooms and continue to fry for a further 2 minutes. Next it's time to add the stock cube and 2 ladles of the pasta water to make sure it's well mixed in. When the stock cube is all amalgamated in, it's time to add salt and pepper to taste and a teaspoon of mixed herbs. When this is done, you're ready to add the chicken and again mix through properly. Then to make the mixture creamy and unctuous, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and thoroughly mix in. When the cream cheese is all mixed through and the chicken is cooked thoroughly, it's time to drain the pasta and add to the mixture. I pointed out to the wife she'd find it a lot easier to mix it in if she used 2 spoons. The reply I got was unrepeatable, not to say medically impossible. Still, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now. No, I didn't tell him what a mess I made in my shirt when I ate my portion.